you for the heads-up warning. I had just arrived on the stroll, which brought relief to melt the stress from Trixie's face. As she continued to hold me tight in the grasp of her eyes' embrace, visibly rattled, I could feel her fear kiss the hairs of my skin, prickling, bristling, the hairs to stand on end. Trixie, after her tip and a be safe wish, quickly used this opportunity under my watchful eye to check for safety. It wasn't long after when, sure enough, 4 young men showed up. I stood alone, isolated, in the calm of the night, standing on a corner of High Track, under a street light. The high-end girls, the fish, over in the next block were nowhere in sight. Did they all pull a date? Was it really that late? The 4 young men closed in. They said they were gay, but I'd like to fuck them all for $1,000 they said they would pay. I thought that's a lot of money, more than what this queen would normally receive. I sensed lead, not gold, as things appeared not as they seemed. I calmly replied, I would like to fuck you all, but I don't think I can. Why not? Said the foursome in unison. We're all good looking. I, with a sincere feminine voice, exclaimed, I'm usually the catcher. I don't think I can pitch. They upped the offer to $2,000 as they still didn't get it. I explained, it's not the money. It's that I can't get it up in order to pitch, if you get my drift. 4 contorted faces looked back at me in dismay. They were straight and not who they sang. Intimidated I'm not, and continued on with their lesson. And what do you want with a bitch like me anyway? Don't you gay boys just fuck each other? In disbelief, they slowly turned and walked away. One was slower to leave and lagged behind. Over his shoulder, he yelled, You're fucking crazy! I'm gonna get my .45 and blow your fucking head off! I, using a more masculine voice to better carry and intimidate, barked back, Grow up! It's just another part of your education, you fucking goof! Come back here, and I'll beat the fucking crap out of all of you! Hopefully, next time, they'll think twice about trying to trick another queen off the stroll and into an alley just to beat the fuck out of her with the 2x4s they retrieved and returned to the trunk of their car. The 4 all huddled and took a moment to look back for one last glimpse of this queen on the track, then jumped in the car and disappeared off into the night.